It's wrong. It's disrespectful. It's the height of cultural insensitivity.
Frustrated sentiments echoed by the Bronx Borough President Ruben Diaz Jr. along with other elected officials last week during a rally outside of Lincoln Hospital. CEO of the hospital, Milton Nunez, announced his departure, causing local officials to demand answers and transparency from the hospital into the selection process of the new CEO.
When you understand the community that is surrounding this hospital, you would understand the need for having people in leadership that represent this community.
In the South Bronx, where the hospital sits, over 60% of the residents identify as Hispanic. Resident Sandra Galvez says that it's important to her that the hospital have leadership that reflects her community.
So yeah, I feel that there should be somebody here who we can relate to and they feel comfortable with.
Just last year, during the height of the pandemic, Lincoln Medical Center was ravaged by COVID-19 cases and only had a limited number of ventilators, according to a 2020 New York Times article. Many of the cases were majority Black and brown. Diaz believes that the new CEO should be someone who not only reflects the community, but understands the health disparities in the Bronx by being familiar with residents who live there.
During the height of the biggest health crisis that certainly this community and the city has seen. It needs to stop. It's ugly. It angers us, and that's why we're here today.
On Friday, New York City Health and Hospitals announced that the new CEO of Lincoln Medical Center will be Christopher Roker. Roker has held leadership positions at hospitals in Ohio, the Bronx, Queens, and Manhattan. Reporting for BronxNet, Dorissa White.